I'm gonna try to do a power source, some kind of power to stay in the bed of my truck permanently. I bought an inverter from Fright. Technically, it's supposed to say about efficiency of 92%. Well, I'm stuck for the moment. Guys, hey guys, welcome back. So I'm about to do right now is that's a temporary thing, and maybe not. If it work out, it's gonna be on it. I'm gonna try to do a power source, some kind of power to stay in the bed of my truck permanently. Nothing crazy to running from, from the alternator batteries, the car truck batteries. I'm not gonna do that. I already have a 100 amp hour batteries, lithium battery from my boat for my kayak. I'm gonna use that over here. So what I did was I bought an inverter from Fright. It's not cheap either. This one is about $200 without any discount. It's a Jupiter pure, so technically it's supposed to say about efficiency of 92%. We'll see, but I haven't had anything from Fright. I haven't had anything from Fright that disappoint me. Tools wise, power tool, they work pretty good. I mean, not gonna be running all the time for like, what you call it, construction stuff, but for a small project, not professional project, it'll do just fine. So yeah, this would be it, the Jupiter pure 1000 watt. I don't need much. What I do here is just to charge the batteries, phone, GoPro, video stuff, and my wife CPAP when she do come along. So yeah, stick around. I'm not a pro, guys. Listen, we'll see if it works. So let's give it a shot. So I'm gonna use the Anderson plug, because on my kayak battery I have automatically already have an Anderson plug in there. So we'll see what I have. What do I have left? The shrinker. Anderson, here it is, Anderson cable. Anderson to Anderson. Amp. Different plug though. But we do have another Anderson, a different Anderson. What was it, this? Yeah. That'll work. Okay. I do have parts. I always have parts laying around. I always keep stuff around just in case I end up needing it. But I do need it at this point. Okay, let's do it. Now that I have that, I'm gonna see what's in the box. I didn't even open it yet. Only reason why I marked that is red is red, black is negative. Anyway, let's open the box, see what we got. So this is 1000 watt. This is more than I think for what I'm using. Hopefully it'll work for lithium batteries. So I got a breaker, remote. It does have a remote, huh? It's basically remote wire. That's good. I can shut it off, but if I am not in use, I also drain power constantly. Enables. Okay. Let's see what's this big boy. Right. 200 bucks, man. It's not cheap. Although I could have just went. I don't have the budget right now for like spending on a 2000 watt inverter. I can start off. I don't need much. It's a Jupiter. See that? Pure. It's supposed to be efficiency. Positive, negative, fan, we'll see. Got 210. I'm sorry, 210. It's got an AC output. GFCI. So that's good. 2 of these, 1 USB plug, that's all. The winds are very strong, guys. I apologize. Oh, there it is. There you go. Okay, I don't know where I'm going to be putting these. So my battery's there. I might put the inverter here so just quick charge or all the way over there. I'm not sure. I put the batteries over there. Or is I put the battery here, the inverter there? I don't know. It's easier just to lift the battery and plug it from here, run the wire, and leave the inverter on that side. But we'll see. All right, let's go. So I also got these from Fright. Once you cut it right, it should just come right off. Sheesh. Shouldn't be that hard. It's not tight. I'm gonna use this for ground. I wish me luck. If this thing explodes, I'm done. Gonna waste a lot of money on my Enduro. Oh boy, here we go. Here we go. Make sure nothing's crazy down here. No. Here we go, guys. I am nervous because I'm such a rookie on this thing too. Okay. Should we turn on the power? Okay, that's hooked on. I have no power. Oh, it was on. I saw something. Well, I'm stuck for the moment. I left the battery out here for maybe 2 weeks and a half. I tried to deplete it out, so I did all that, and there's no power. I'm assuming that there's no power because the battery is empty. So we'll see. I'm gonna charge it, let it be full first. Hopefully it work. I don't see any power. It's only 1 in, 1 out. I don't know what the heck's going on. Oh, wait a minute. Huh. Trigger. That might be a problem too right here. Nope, that's not it. The kill switch here. Ooh. Now why it's not charging? No, it says full. Oh, this is very annoying. Sorry, I didn't record that. I yielded to faith. I didn't believe myself. But the power is on. Say system normal. Ground. Maybe before I had a remote on and off. I don't know if that work. Does it need to be something? But let's see. What if I shut it off? Power off. Let's do it again. Power on. You see that? All right, let's test something up. Come on. And it worked. Ladies and gentlemen, we got power. Okay. Now, my question is, if that's work, that's fine. I might be pushing my limit. I'm going to plug only a 400 watt heater. See if it works. Let's see. I'm going to plug it in on a 120. Well, I hear the sound. Nope, it shut off. No, still on. Heat's on. I guess when it turned on, wow, look at this. System's normal. Output. Wow. Yo, the heat's working. The fan's kicking in. Wow. System normal. Oh boy, this is gonna be great for my wife. If this thing work, look at this, it's coming back. Nice. So that's pretty much 400 watt pushing out. We've shut it off. Level DC to AC output. Wow. Okay, this system worked good. Now, moment of truth, I'm gonna put everything. Now I just need to figure out where I should be putting this. I can use this battery as it's a good battery. It's for my what you call it, motor guide. 1280 watt hour. This really worked for me. I don't need to spend $1,000. That was 200 bucks, and I already have the batteries for my boat. So if this worked, perfect. The inverter is going to stay on the truck, in the truck forever. The battery I can just transport back and forth, not a problem. Plus the Anderson disconnection, easy peasy. All right, let's go. Let's put it away. Let's shut it off. I think the moment before was the I believe it was the remote that it's not turning on and off or stay off. As soon as I unplugged that and replug everything, the battery was still juice. It wasn't the battery. It might have been that remote. Okay, well, if I don't use them, I just unplug them straight out. Okay. All right, so back to so I end up putting like right here for the power, only because it's easy for me to open to charge the phone, and it'd be right here. I had it over there. That was a nice one, but it does stay, the lights stay on. So, and I plumbed it into this right here under my bed. That's where the 100 amp hour go, if you can see it right there. And I go through that ground. So let's press the power. It's on. See that? It worked great. I mean, I use it for my wife's CPAP machine to run the whole weekend, because this is a 100 amp hour, which is equivalent to 1,140 something watt hour. I believe that's roughly around that area. Don't quote me on that. I have to take a look. A battery for about 237. It might be cheaper now. Yeah, you get around maybe 350, close to 400, and you got yourself power, portable power fixed right here. So if I want to put that, maybe my right hand will be better. Bang, lights on. Look at that. You can chill, charge, whatever. System is there, you know. Power. And it lasts quite a long time, the whole weekend. Everything else, guys. So, you also wanted to know, some of us, yeah, and if I wanted more power, I can just parallel the other. I know I have another what you call it, another 100 amp hour. I can parallel that and I get 200 amp hour. This is the system. This is my sleeping quarter if I need to go out there, and table up there. This is good. It's comfortable. It worked for me for the time being. I would love to have a van, but not for now. I can't afford it. It worked. It got full power. And that's that, guys. Not bad. It worked great over here. Just shut it off. Don't need it right there. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.